Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your battery icon on iPhone. By change I mean I can turn this white battery icon into something else like black or like that, alright? So let me show you how you guys can do that. And if you're thinking that you can change your battery icon from like this design to something else on iPhone, it doesn't work like that. iPhone doesn't allow you to do it. Until and unless you jailbreak your iPhone, that thing is not going to work, and I will not recommend you to do that because it's going to harm your iPhone. So let me show you how you guys can change the color of your battery now. First you want to go on setting. Once you're inside your iPhone setting, just scroll a bit down until you see this option called accessibility. Now click on it, and once you're inside of it, just scroll a bit down at the bottom until you see this option called per app setting. Click on per app setting, and on per app setting you're going to see tons of apps, but in my case it's only showing home screen. But doesn't matter, you want to search for home screen and click on it. Once you're inside home screen, this option called Smart Invert, click on it. Once you click on Smart Invert, it is off right now. Now you guys can focus on my battery icon at the top right. It's on black, so if I click on, it's going to turn white, as you guys can see. So it's just going to invert every single color. White is going to be black and black is going to be white, like this. If I turn it off, it's going to be back to the normal. So you guys can choose which color you want from over here and select the option and just go back, close your setting, and it should work. So that's how you guys can change your battery color on iPhone. Now for icon, you cannot do it. I mean, you can do this particularly. You can go inside setting, and inside of settings, search for battery and click on battery. Click on where it says battery percentage at the top, and it's going to show you battery percentage as well. You can also do that if you like. But these are the only thing you can edit or change on your battery icon, nothing more than that. So hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.